vacation story. I'm gonna tell you when we went to Disneyland first. So the day of Disneyland was so much fun. And we went on the boat avatar ride. We went to see the animals. We saw some monkeys.
Monkeys, they love to jump from tree to tree. They're comfortable. That is not like that anymore.
Some gorillas. Little frogs. We saw some giraffes.
Oh, that's so pretty.
It's a giraffe. A little bit of water.
Oh, I hear some birds.
Oh,
Oh, look at that. We found some birds. Those are flamingos. Now, does anybody know why they are pink? Why their feathers are pink?
Some kangaroos. We went to Dinosaur World. We saw a little bit of dinosaurs. We went on a dinosaur ride. We went to dinner. I saw Donald Duck at Disneyland. And they saw them on a boat and they danced.
Did you see birds like parrots?
Oh yes. And one flew over me. When they said, "Let's see how they fly," I was like, ah! Oh, we did see a hippopotamus and some fish.
You said them set of people, I'm hiding.
Fun. Do you see the hippo?
Not that much. And some raccoons. And some skunks.
No, we did not.
Yes, we did.
You see it?
Oh, I see it. It's so good.
What is it, Quinn?
I don't know.
Quinn.
We saw elephants. They were like, ah.
Quinn, let's go. Ready to go home?
Yes! I'm going to relax my feet.